How to fix CitiBank app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and press and hold your CitiBank application. Then you will see the option of App Info, tap on it. Force stop the application, then head to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. If this feature is not available on your mobile device, just go ahead and open up your phone setting. Scroll down and you have to select Apps. Now right here, tap on All Apps and search for CitiBank in the search bar. Tap on it. Now force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. On to the next step, you have to open your Play Store or App Store and search for CitiBank application. Make sure that you have installed the correct version of your CitiBank. Now once you have made sure of it, if there is an update, you can even update your CitiBank, or the last resort will be uninstalling the application. Press and hold the app, tap on Uninstall application, then again tap on Uninstall. You can reinstall the application and your bug issue will be solved. Also check for a Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it to your mobile data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And those were some of the solutions to fix your application not working. We hope you found this video informative and thank you so much for tuning in.